folks, it's getting to that time, and oh geez, I forgot that this is still in here. It's the 23rd, and it's time. We're going to turn on, what brand is this furnace? Carrier. So, let's do it. My mother has a camera, and she is just going to I'm going to yell. Go ahead and start recording, give it a couple seconds, and then let's go. Just stand here. Don't know where to stand. I guess I'm here. There we go. There it goes. Here's the thing, this is the first time because we bought this house in November and it was already running. So yeah, be quiet for a second. He's putting stuff away. Alright. Hush your hands for a minute. It's a Carrier Weathermaker 9200, which we had a Carrier AC in our old house. It was good. I don't know how old this one is. It looks like it's made within the last 10 years. It's got a little rattle. It's a weird noise.
That was the igniter.
Oh, well, we got it on camera. All right. First furnace startups in this house. He's going to cut that. Cut it. Pull it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.